ngo ya gutigirira ati ni thaitira Ugaruruku wa Riera na makeria kaunti-ini ya Bungoma yatarĩria ati hari bata wa rutoro na makeria aria mari mathukuru-ini ma ngathi ya iguru gukorwo magikuruhanio mihang'o-ini ya gutigirira ati manyita itemi gutigirira ati undu no akorwo kirano na wona njira iria yageire akiaria ri thukuru-ini wa Masinde Muliro University thutha wa gutungana na amwe a rutoro hamwe na arugamiriri ao ni hathiite na mbere na gutariria ati arutwo riu makigia na githomo kigano gia kumateithiriria kumenya uria mangikorwo magigacirithia maria maturigicĩirie niguo kuhurana na ucenjia wa rĩera.
With our partners from Masinde Muliro University, where we discuss issues of climate change in Bungoma County. As you realize, climate change is actually a phenomenon that is affecting the world at large, and Bungoma has not been spared. And we have to put our heads together and discuss and see how are we going to do mitigation, how are we going to adapt to issues of climate change in the county. As a county government, we have put legal legislation in place whereby we have the Bungoma County Climate Change Policy, we have the Bungoma County Finance Policy, we have the Bungoma County FAD Act that is really guiding on how climate change is going to be funded in this county. And I think I would really wish to say that as a county, we have really moved forward on issues of climate change. But as a county, we cannot do it on our own.
And the reason why we've taken this initiative to partner with Bungoma County on matters of climate change is because 70% of global disasters are caused by climate change. That is in terms of floods, which bring out things like landslides.
Bedbugs, something that had disappeared, that is already an indicator that climate change is real. We are also expecting El Nino rains come October. As Kenya Red Cross within Bungoma County, we even don't have the capacity. So we want to partner with the county right away to see what is it that we can create awareness among our people.